PUKATEEKO here, and today's soap is going to be inspired by my brother. He's getting married in a few days, and his beautiful wife Kim chose me to be the bridesmaids, one of the bridesmaids, and I'm super excited about it. So I did like this all white soap with a blue pencil line, and that's based on my dress, which is like a marine blue color. And I really hope they like it. I'm really excited about this one, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so I just poured my lye water in, and I just briefly wanted to tell you guys that earlier I literally just like my wrist touched the rim of the container right here, and it burned, and I didn't know how this lye is. Like, I never gotten burned or ever touched it with raw, like, from my skin. And it hurt so bad and it burned so bad that I thought I was like, it was eating at my skin. It just felt horrible. And as soon as it was literally seconds that I found out, and I got so scared that that something was gonna happen to my skin. But miraculously, it didn't, and I have to be really careful, and I really do need to be cautious, and that's why I'm wearing my goggles all the time and everything, because I would hate for this thing to splash in my eye or my face. It's very dangerous, and safety is very important. And it was literally just a tiny, tiny little bit right here at the rim, and I just put my hand right here, and it hurt really bad. So just wanted to let you guys know how dangerous this is. So I'm gonna start blending. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean my stick blender off because I hate cleaning it when it's dried off. All right, guys. So this soap is gonna be a special soap because of my brother-in-law getting married, and I'm really excited for them, and I am the bridesmaid, so I want to make something real cool inspired by them. And this is very This is very important to me that it comes out right, because they are, I'm very happy for them and excited, and I really want them to like it. So I'm gonna grab some blue, and I found like a little tea strainer, and I'm really happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tap it all over here. And then I'm gonna try and do like another pencil line. I'm ready to pipe. So I'm really excited for their wedding, and I'm honored to be their bridesmaid. It's just really cool. I just started with this YouTube channel, but I'm not trying to make a profit out of this, because I feel like, you literally need 1 million subscribers to make a living off of YouTube, and hours of watch time and whatnot. So I'm literally doing this just because I love what I do with soaping and the science of it and everything. But to make a living off of YouTube is almost impossible. I just love sharing, and I love showing people how to make soap. This has totally gotten me out of rough times, and definitely has been motivating me to continue doing this. And I love doing it, and I love showing people and sharing with people new ideas, new techniques. You can never go wrong when you team up. Okay, so I am gonna put these awesome rings. They're really pretty. I decorated them myself. I hope you like them, Cam. So I'm gonna put it here. So I'm just gonna add like these little balls. All right, guys, so that concludes my wedding soap. And I will see you guys in the morning to make the cut and see how it comes out. Okay, guys, so I am gonna cut my bar of soap today. Let's see how it looks. Wow, it came out nice, guys. So I personally think this little hilt right here looks amazing. I love the mica color. I think it gave it a little character. And it looks like it's almost gelling from the middle, which just means it's gonna give it like a nice bright color. And then I like the ring on top. That's the whole point of this, and I think Kim will like it. These are her colors. My bridesmaid's dress is gonna be blue. That's why I added the blue mica line. That's our color. So it came out really nice. I love the middle of the colors. I think I could have added more little white pearls to it. Gives it a lot of definition. It's still sticky and it's hard at the same time. But I like how it came out, and I'm really proud of it. It looks really pretty. Gives it a lot of character, and I like the top and the gold. I mean, it just looks really pretty. So I am very happy with it. Okay, guys, so I will see you next week for another soap making video. This is PUKATEEKO. Bye.